both the federal government and the federal member states are facing major challenges in meeting their obligations as a consequence of the economic impact this pandemic is already having on Somalia. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, in our country today, remittances have declined rapidly, trade has dropped, small businesses are affected, household income has collapsed, and Somali banks are facing major problems in their day-to-day transactions with the international banks and financial entities. With this sharp decrease in revenues, our government is facing an imminent challenge in meeting critical obligations, including overheads such as paying our civil servants and security forces. Tragically, we are also forced and faced to deal with floods that are currently being witnessed in Gardo, in Puntland, where 7 people have lost their lives and several others are still missing. Millions in livelihoods have been lost, and we predict that this will be the case further downstream in other parts of the country. Low cost is also threatening our farmers, and with this new reality, therefore, everything that you want to discuss today could be meaningless within a few months if we don't keep this country afloat and together.